We're moving, everyone. This is our little space. Thank God for a strong man because he got all this in here.
Again, this is for documentation. And this is for documentation.
We are already putting in complaints. Kayla's been taking videos of every little thing that might be wrong in the apartment.
Hey.
We're trying to get that deposit back at the end of our time.
Yeah, they gonna try to get us, so we gotta cover our
We gotta get them before they can get us.
See, here, and here. This is for documentation.
It's officially move-in day. I am so excited. I just picked up a Starbucks matcha and I got one for my girly pop for my bestie, Darby. She is meeting me right now to try to tackle the mess that is in our apartment because last night Kato and I came and just threw boxes and threw all of our stuff in there because he has work this morning, so he won't be here till like after 5. So Darby's gonna help me like the real one she is. Our bed is getting delivered today. My dad's bringing our little couch today, so a lot of stuff to get done today. Welcome to our new space, our little tiny space. It's empty right now for the most part. We just unpacked a little bit, but there's clearly a lot more to do. So this is our living area. Our bed should go here. A couch we're gonna try to fit here. I don't know, we'll figure it out. This is our kitchen. Not much to say about it. Got this really cute floor mat at Ross. This is our teeny tiny hallway. We have our closet that we just put a bunch of clothes in. We'll probably reorganize it to put them later. This is my side. Oh, there's no clothes on my side yet. Bathroom with a really obnoxiously loud fan. Anyway, here's the bathroom. There's lots to do. Yay, I'm very excited. Thanks, Dad. My professional movers over here. Mom and Dad doing all the hard lifting. Hire them for all your moving needs. My dad just smacked my head with the couch. My mom is helping me wash up dishes that were packed away and putting them in these cabinets. And I am working on vacuuming this dusty couch. But everything is inside. Our couch, our little coffee table, the bed got delivered, our toilet got fixed. It's raining outside. I love our little windows because I can see the beautiful rain and the trees getting nourished. My mom just left, so it's just me on my own trying to get this place together. She did so much, though. I'm so thankful she was here. My goal is to have this place looking more like a home. For when Kato gets home from work, I think it'd be such a sweet surprise. It is so satisfying to get rid of boxes. When I get to tear it down and move it to the side, so satisfying. Where we currently are, the kitchen's kind of a mess, but my mom did like wash these cutting boards and my air fryer and stuff, and so she set it all out, which is so kind. This stuff still needs places to go. I did put this shelf over here. I don't know if it'll stay there, but I'm kind of liking it there. The bed was delivered, hasn't been set up yet. The couch I just cleaned and the coffee table I just cleaned. I set up my boyfriend's PlayStation and games down there. Our TV will probably go up there or on the wall, I don't know. I want to try to set up our bed by myself. The bed frame is in there. Let's see if I can do it. Moving us back against the wall. Stay. I will never understand when people say like, I don't need no man. Because I most definitely need my man. Unfold the leg until you hear a click. I'm sweating. I'm doing it. Okay, I'm assuming that's just how it's supposed to be. I don't know. You guys, I did it! I'm gonna put the mattress on and make our bed. Oh, I'm so excited. Maybe I don't need no man. Mid-assembling the bed, my phone died, so I came out to the car to charge my phone on the car charger because I don't have a wall charger here. I am snacking on my Trader Joe's Takis, Starbucks from this morning that I just finished actually. And also these almond butter almonds from Trader Joe's, which are so good. You have to try them, they're dangerously good. Anyway, phone is charging and then we'll go back inside and hopefully finish up. Now for the hard part, it doesn't seem like it should be hard to put the mattress on the bed frame, but the mattress is really heavy. So oh my god, I totally got it. Okay, now I can put our bedding on. I'll show you after. We got this mattress topper from Target just to make our bed a little more comfy, and I'm unfolding it right now. You guys, it feels like a dream. I've never really had like a comfy bed in my life. This is life-altering. The hardest part about assembling this whole bed is probably gonna be putting on this stupid fitted sheet. Wow. Ta-da! I'm stepping all over trash. Ta-da! We have a bed and it's so comfy. Oh my god, I can't wait to sleep tonight. It's currently 3:15. Kato will be home around 6. There's still a lot to do and a lot to clean up, so I want to get this done as fast as possible. When I clean as much as I can, I will show you an update and probably film his reaction coming home. I am so excited. I can't wait. You guys are not gonna believe this. I walked outside because I was like, oh, I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna get like a bouquet of flowers and blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna come back, set up the flowers so that it looks like complete in here and Kato can come home to a nice, beautiful home. My car doesn't start. I left my headlights on at some point and now my car won't start. So my dad has to come give me a jump. Anyway, I finished cleaning the apartment, so. Hello everyone, welcome in. I am so happy you're here. It is the next day. I decided to film the next day because it got really, really dark last night. But currently we are in our living room, bedroom hybrid space because we don't have an actual room in the apartment. It's a studio apartment, so here we try to achieve like a little living area. I got this really cute rug under the coffee table, little jewelry plate, our chessboard. Kato loves to play chess. I suck at it. Some coasters, this dresser that I thrifted at Goodwill for $9.99. I think that might be my most proud thrift ever. My brother came and hung the TV on the wall. After some technical difficulties, we achieved getting our TV on the wall. This little green couch I got off Facebook Marketplace for $50. Here's our very, very comfy bed. Our comforter is from Ross for like $24, I think. Love her. And then we have this really, really nice window that I'm obsessed with because there's palm trees right outside our window. We get some pretty nice natural sunlight in our space. Over here we have this lamp that I got at Lamps Plus. Yeah, it just clicks on and off like that. Our cool little bar area where we have our lovely Facebook Marketplace finds, both for $50 together. She was asking for 90, but I asked if we could get them for 50 and she said yes. So, and then this is a little corner of, I don't know, randomness, but very cute. And then we have this speaker that we've been putting here and playing music whenever we're cooking or cleaning or doing anything. Here is our little kitchen, our teeny tiny stove. That is so cute. I have my matcha set up over here. I found this dish rack at Ross. Very good. We have the air fryer here. Such a handy gadget. You need an air fryer. Over here is our shelf. We have my books up here, Kato's books down here. And then I got these salt and pepper shakers at Goodwill. Super cute. It's a salt and pepper shaker. There's nothing in it though. Kato's lunchbox, Kato's side of the closet. We don't have a ton of space in our closets, so we put our pants up here, our jackets and shirts and such here. And then down here, I bought these storage, like drawer unit things. And over here, there's okay, don't put his sweaters in here, which was a really good idea. I have a few shoes here, purses, towels and things. Just a boring closet. The bathroom fan is very loud, but we discovered that if you leave it on for a minute or so, it starts to quiet down. So bear with us. One thing me and Kato is gonna have is hair products. So mine are over here, Kato's are over here. Yeah, and then there's just our shower. It's not very cute or anything. That's all. Thanks for visiting. Thank you for being my first guest in our little home. Welcome home, Schlubby.
Oh, shit. Damn, girl.
Are you excited?
Yeah, baby, look at all good, baby girl. Look at
Oh, I love you.
So you did your thing, huh? Look at my girl. Damn, girl, looks good. Looks like a little home. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, absolutely. Yeah, I can do this.
Yeah. The bed feels amazing. Okay, look over here. Come here, baby.
This is our spot, or what?
This is our spot. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's cool.
Oh, do you feel happy?
Yeah, it's cool. Oh, my slubber lover. Bomb food for sure. I love this, baby. This is dope, man. You did your thing.
First night in our own home. Schlubber, how you feel, Schlubber?
I feel good. We got a nice little studio. Got a big bed.